Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. This is an ant-ag for the lower back called an ant-ag roll. So first of all, placing the foot about 10 centimeters away from the opposite knee. And from there, you're going to drop the knee out to the side as far as that leg goes. If you need to, if that's uncomfortable, you can put a pillow or a towel underneath that knee. So from there, you're going to push the knee towards the floor. So you're going to use your glute muscle to do that. You'll feel that switch on. And that strength is 20 to 30% of your maximum strength. You're going to hold that position for 6 seconds. And then after the 6 seconds, you're going to slowly bring it back up, keeping the foot where it is for now. And then from there, you're going to take the knee up directly towards the ceiling and then take the leg over to the side. So you want to keep your shoulders on the floor when you do that movement and let that knee come as far across as comfortable. So from there, you're going to push the knee down towards the floor. So you'll feel the inside of the leg, the adductors contract. You're going to contract those for 6 seconds. Again, it's at that 20 to 30% strength range. Once you've done your 6 seconds there, making sure that that shoulder stays on the floor. Then you're going to gently bring that leg back. Replace the foot at 10 centimeters away from the opposite knee. And you're just going to relax into that position for 6 seconds. And then you'll drop that knee out to the side again and repeat that sequence 3 times. Do a total of 3 times a day.